Hi, my name is Kanisha and today I'll be presenting a video about polymers. So to begin, what are polymers? A polymer is a large molecule made up of repeating structural units called monomers, usually connected by covalent bonds. Plastic is a type of polymer which refers to both natural and synthetic materials. Polymers are very important in life. They are used as plastic and elastomers, as well as biopolymers such as DNA and protein. Natural polymer materials such as rubber and amber have been used for many years. Biopolymers such as proteins and nucleic acids play important roles in the biological process. There are a number of polymers that exist, including cellulose, which is the main element of wood and paper. Synthetic polymers include synthetic rubber, bakelite, neoprene, nylon, PVC, polystyrene, silicone, and many more. Now I'll be explaining an experiment with regards to polymers, and in this case I'll be telling you how to make slime. In step 1, you fill the plastic drink cup with 1/3 of PVA glue. Now some of the questions you can ask the students include, what do you know about the glue? Is it a solid, liquid or gas? What properties does it have? Can it be watered down? Step 2, measure out 1/3 of a cup of water. Another question you can ask, how does the water differ from the glue? How is it similar? Step 3, mix the glue and the water together in one of the plastic cups. Step 4, place the runny glass into a glass jar. Decide on a colour for your slime and add just a few drops of food colouring to your runny glue. Shake the jar to completely mix the colouring and the glue. You must add the colouring at this point and it is very soluble, although you might not like to try adding it at the end to investigate if there is any difference. Some of the questions you can ask, suppose it was milk and the jar and I shook it, what should it be making? Step 5, fill a clean drink cup with 1/3 of water with cold water. Show the borax. Step 6, add the magic ingredient, 2 tablespoons of borax to the water. The cups are thin enough for the children to see the borax does not dissolve fully and it just sits at the bottom of the cup. Step 7. We need to add the wet borax to the glass jar containing the runny glue. You can ask the students to suggest the method of separating the borax from the water. Step 8. The children descend the water from the wet borax into a suitable container and then spoon into the glass jar as much of the wet borax as possible. We use wet borax as it reacts more favourably than dry borax. Step 9. Place the lid into the jar and shake the jar to enable the borax to find the PVA. The children should begin to see or hear a large change taking place in the jar. As the borax and glue combine, they form cross-linked polymers and the mixture begins to turn into a solid. Step 10. The chemical reaction is complete when the side of the jar is clean and the slime has formed. Step 11. Now the children can begin to investigate the slime properties. The slime will slowly pour from the jar. However, if you pull the slime apart, it will snap like a solid. It will feel cold to touch. It may have elastic properties and may bounce.